Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best stuffed animals for baby that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Gund. Gund is a well-known stuffed toy brand with a global reputation for quality and creativity. The Gund Toothpick Stuffed Animal Collection is adorable, and the toothpick teddy bear is composed of a huggable and soft material. Another benefit of this plush animal is that it has a skinny neck, allowing the baby to hug it with their small arms easily. As a result, you can give this Gund teddy bear plush animal as a birthday gift for your child and an adult. The toothpick collections are ideal for babies aged 1 and up. This animal plush toy will also keep the infant busy and joyful. So, if you're a new parent who's having trouble deciding on a huggable soft teddy bear, then the Gund Toothpick Teddy Bear Stuffed Animal is the perfect plush toy for your baby. Its slim body makes it easier for the toddler to carry the teddy bear around. They have superior embroidered characteristics to ensure the safety of the baby. At number 4. Henley Place. This elephant stuffed toy is a great companion for babies while they wander the house or travel. It has flexible legs and arms that make it easy to transport and store when not in use. This toy was created without harming any animals. Because these products are made from natural resources, bring this cute little animal into your home and have fun with it. This plush elephant toy is made of pillow-grade cotton and is perfect for babies to cuddle and snuggle. This Henley animal plush toy makes anyone happy because of its tenderness. This adorable elephant is light enough for your child to tote around. The elephant's feet look like a snowball that can gently sit on the floor. The elephant's tusks and ears are white and constructed of extremely soft material, allowing the baby to grasp the toys with its comfortable ears. This elephant features plastic eyes, so keep an eye on your baby while playing, especially if they are teething. It's simple to clean and wash, and it's also machine washable. The tusks and ears of the elephant give great fun for toddlers. The elephant's French fry tail improves the gripping sense of babies. At number 3. Henley Place. The next cuddling friend from Henley Place, this sloth toy is comfy and fluffy. It is the best gift for babies as well as adults. This small gift will bring a grin to any child's face. The toy's body is made of real Angora plush, giving more cuddliness and softness, and the face of the animal is made of soft polyester. These smooth finish plush toys are stuffed with pillow-grade cotton fiber, making them excellent for cuddling and snuggling. Both sides of the palm have removable fabric to hang your companion to anything, or you can also hang this stuffed animal in your kid's bedroom after cuddling with it. This plush toy is lightweight and compact, making it a fantastic companion for wandering around the house or traveling. This sloth is only 5 ounces in weight. This plush animal's arms and legs are flexible, making it easy to pack, so never miss your cuddling friend while you are traveling. You may cling it to any wall in your house, making it a decorative toy and a toy for playing and cuddling. Simple to wash and clean. At number 2. Gemma Joy. As a parent, you understand how tough it is to keep a baby calm during the night, especially a newborn or young toddler. We came up with a charming bunny sleep soother that would be the ideal buddy for your toddler while mom is busy or unavailable. When young newborns and growing toddlers take quick naps, travel long distances, or lie down on the bed, this cute animal will be the best cuddle buddy. They're also plush, squeezable, and incredibly cuddly, so your little king or queen can get a comfortable cuddle when they need it. 6 sleeping noises are included in the Bedtime Bunny Baby Sound Soother. The sound of a mother's heartbeat calms and relaxes youngsters in the womb, so they include a mother's heartbeat to let them find normalcy. Every squeezable bunny also comes with a gentle shining red light that may be used as a nightlight or to suit them if they wake up in the night. This bunny comes with AA batteries that provide a longer battery life, allowing your child to play with it for hours. It makes a sound similar to a mother's heartbeat. At number 1. Gund. The Gund Randall dog stuffed animal is designed to seem like a real puppy and will quickly become your child's closest buddy. This cuddly soft dog is composed of high-quality materials, ensuring that it will be a loving companion for many years to come. This 1-3 bedtime stuffed animal has the eyes and paws of a real puppy and will make a wonderful gift for babies aged 1 and up. It is made of washable surface material, so your child won't have to wait for the toy to dry in the sun. Premium materials are used to create this stuffed toy that is unbelievably smooth and huggable, so it creates a big smile on the baby's face. This product attracts babies and adults because of its softness and cuddliness. It will be the perfect buddy for the baby's travels and playtime, not just for sleep. Because it is lightweight, toddlers may take it with them everywhere. It has the exact hue of a real puppy and is constructed of washable surface material so that it won't interfere with your baby's fun. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.